Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on showing contacts when sharing content function in Samsung Galaxy S22. By default this option should be turned on, but if it's not, where to find it? So, settings, then we are looking for advanced features menu here, and here it is, show contacts when sharing content. It's turned off. To turn it on, we simply tap it once and now it's on. No need to save anything. We can safely back out to our home screen, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.